Welcome back, guys. I know most of you might not believe me if I say this, but you won't believe I use ChatGPT to read my textbook, my school textbook. So most of the times, I don't really have time to go through a textbook for examination. All I do is to use ChatGPT to get the details out of the textbook. But you have to be really smart to use this. What do I mean by you have to be really smart to use this? So let me show you an example of some textbooks we had. Um, like bulky textbook. So I think something like this seems bulky. So this, let's open this right here. So this is one of the textbooks we use during exams. So what I want to do now, I could always summarize the textbook for myself. Like, I just want to show you these basic things. If you are a student, you can be smarter with ChatGPT and increase your productivity that way. Yes, I just said that. Yes, you can increase your productivity this way. So here is a textbook, and you could see the textbook is about 156 pages, and I have to read this for an exam. Sometimes I open this the morning of the days I have exams, or I open it a day before, like the night before. So what I do is to use ChatGPT to summarize the content inside this textbook. How do I go about that? It sounds crazy, right? But how do I go about that? It's very, very basic. So what I want to do now is to upload this particular textbook. I will upload it on ChatGPT. And remember, I've not started using the premium version. This is still the free version of ChatGPT. If I want to increase my functionalities or how much I use this, then I could get the premium version. But all these things I'm doing, you could actually do it from your basic version, from your free version. So yes, so this is the textbook being uploaded. So I could say read every chapter for me. Read as a student that wants to pass this course, as a student that wants to pass this very course, read the text material page by page, bring out the important details, and explain each and every of those details to me in simple language, in such a way I will remember everything the book entails to pass my examination. Yeah, so I'm going to have this prompted. So I do this naturally. I don't have a specific prompt for it. I just explain myself and explain my situation to ChatGPT. Then it does the reading, then brings out a detailed summary. So I'm going to have this sent out. This full textbook could be summarized like 5 pages for myself. So ChatGPT will read the textbook, then would now start summarizing. Yes, everything one by one, as you could see from here. Would you like me to continue with page 2? Yes, continue with page 2. Yes, continue with page 2. So that is how I would get to read this textbook in no time. So it reads the textbook for me, then gives me a detailed like analysis of what is in each of the pages. And that's how we keep going, page 3, till we get to the final page. So that is how to actually use ChatGPT to read and boost your productivity as well. And that way, no one gets to lose, no one gets to slack. So this way, but you have to be really smart to use this approach. Yes, I use this approach all the time, and I've always passed my exams. Yes, a session is like a journey through a website. It is a list of pages you visit and when you visit them. Yes, so it gives you everything you need to know about what is in the textbook. Yes, it's as perfect as that. So you could try this out yourself. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.